Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The first question is cell theory was given by Lamarck and Darwin, Schleiden and Schwann, Brown and Purkinje, Schleiden and Brown. The correct answer is Schleiden and Schwann. They have jointly put forward the cell theory in 1839. It states that the bodies of all organisms are made up of cells and their products. Second question. Who among the following concluded that every cell comes from pre-existing cell? Robert Hooke, Schwann, Leeuwenhoek, Virchow. The correct answer is Virchow. Rudolf Virchow explained that cells divide and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells in 1855. He gave the term omnis cellulae e cellulae. Third question. Which of the following is an exception to cell theory? Fungi, blue-green algae, virus, bacteria. The correct answer is virus. Viruses are exceptions to cell theory because they do not possess cellular organization. Fourth question. Which is a substitution of mitochondria in E. coli? Mesosome, Golgi body, ribosome, glyoxysomes. The correct answer is mesosome. Mesosomes will be equivalent to mitochondria of eukaryotes because of the respiratory enzymes present in aerobic bacteria. Question. The prokaryotic cells are characterized by absence of nuclear membrane, presence of distinct chromosomes, absence of chromatin material, presence of distinct nuclear membrane. The correct answer is absence of nuclear membrane. The prokaryotic cells lack nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles like mitochondria, Golgi, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. Sixth question. Which of the following is the correct statement? Eukaryotes have more DNA than prokaryotes. Eukaryotes are more complex because of DNA. Both A and B. None of these. The correct answer is both A and B. Eukaryotes are usually more complex with basic histone proteins and large number of genes and base pairs in DNA when compared to prokaryotes. Seventh question. Prokaryotic ribosome has sedimentation coefficient of 80s, 70s, 40s, 60s. The correct answer is 70s. Based on the sedimentation coefficient, there are 70s and 80s ribosomes. 70s ribosome has 50s larger subunit and 30s smaller subunit, which are usually present in prokaryotes. And 80s ribosome have 60s larger subunit and 40s smaller subunit, which are present in eukaryotes. Eighth question. The latest model of plasma membrane is lamellar model, unit membrane model, fluid mosaic model, molecular lipid model. The correct answer is fluid mosaic model. This model is given by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. Ninth question. The cell drinking is exocytosis, pinocytosis, phagocytosis, endocytosis. The correct answer is pinocytosis. Pinocytosis is a process of absorption of fluid into a cell by invagination of the cell wall to form a vesicle which then breaks away and migrates into cell body. 10th question. Cells are connected by plasmodesmata. This system is called as symplast, apoplast, cross connection, cell junction. The correct answer is symplast. Plasmodesmata are cytoplasmic bridges between the adjacent plant cells which forms a continuous protoplasmic flow called symplast. Next question. Most abundant lipid in cell membrane is sulfolipid, glycerol, glycolipid, phospholipid. The correct answer is phospholipid. Phospholipids are the predominant lipids in the membrane with polar hydrophilic and hydrophobic groups. 12th question. Most of the cell membranes are primarily composed of protein only, lipid only, protein and lipid, cellulose. The correct answer is protein and lipid. The cell membranes are differentially permeable membranes and are principally composed of protein and lipids. 13th question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of active transport? Highly selective, transporter saturates, uphill, insensitive to inhibitors. The correct answer is insensitive to inhibitors. In active transport, the carrier proteins transport against concentration gradient, which is also called as uphill transport, and they are highly selective and they also show saturation effect and are sensitive to inhibitors. 14th question. Cytoplasm and nucleus are separated by a membrane which is triple layered, double layered, single layered, multi-layered. The correct answer is double layered. Nucleus and cytoplasm are separated by nuclear membrane which consists of two layers. 15th question. Which of the following process takes place in mitochondria? Carboxylation, photolysis, oxidative phosphorylation, photophosphorylation. The correct answer is oxidative phosphorylation. It is the process by which energy is released during electron transport in aerobic respiration and it's coupled to produce ATP. 16th question. Oxysomes are located inside plastids, Golgi body, lysosome, mitochondria. The correct answer is mitochondria. Inner membrane of mitochondria has series of infoldings called cristae. The inner membranes including cristae have particles called FO, F1 particles or oxysomes. 17th question. Autolysis occur in ribosome, Golgi body, lysosome, vacuole. The correct answer is lysosome. Lysosomes are called suicidal bags because of the presence of the digestive enzymes in them. So autolysis is self-destruction of a cell tissue with the help of lysosome. 18th question. Which of the following give mechanical support to the cell? Chloroplast, Golgi body, ER and mitochondria. The correct answer is ER. Endoplasmic reticulum function as the cytoskeleton by providing mechanical support to colloidal cytoplasmic matrix. 19th question. Polyribosomes are aggregates of ribosomes and rRNA, many RNA and one ribosome, peroxisomes and ribosome, several ribosomes and mRNA. The correct answer is several ribosomes and mRNA. Polyribosomes usually contain 4 to 8 ribosomes attached to a single strand of mRNA which help in synthesis of several copies of the same protein. 20th question. Extracellular DNA is found in lysosome and chloroplast, chloroplast and mitochondria, mitochondria and lysosome, Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum. The correct answer is chloroplast and mitochondria. Some amount of DNA is also found in chloroplast and mitochondria apart from the nucleus. So this DNA is called extrachromosomal DNA. 21st question. Site of gluconeogenesis is chloroplast, mitochondria, glyoxysome and Golgi complex. The correct answer is glyoxysome. Gluconeogenesis is the phenomena in which glucose is synthesized from lipids or proteins and it takes place in glyoxysomes. 22nd question. A chromosome having centromere at the middle is called metacentric, telocentric, acrocentric, anacentric? The correct answer is metacentric. A centromere is a part of chromosome that attaches to the spindle fibers during cell division. So chromosome with the centromere at its center is called metacentric chromosomes. 23rd question. Which among the following is not a function of Golgi complex? Membrane transformation, synthesis of serum proteins, formation of acrosome, transport of fats. The correct answer is synthesis of serum proteins. The function of Golgi complex is internal packaging, transportation and synthesis of carbohydrates, hormones, pigments, acrosome, lysosomes and etc. 24th question. Cellular organelle formed by joint activation of endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex is ribosome, peroxisomes, vacuole, and lysosome. The correct answer is lysosome. Lysosomes form through a multi-step process which involves endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. So the proteins that form lysosomes enzymes are synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum and are packed into vesicles. These vesicles travel to Golgi complex for modification and tagging and then buds off as vesicles. So the vesicles combine with the endosome and form the lysosome. 25th question. What are episomes? Free ribosomes attached to endoplasmic reticulum in cytoplasm, single-stranded circular naked DNA with histones, plasmids temporarily associated with nucleoid, many ribosomes attached to single-stranded mRNA. The correct answer is plasmids temporarily associated with nucleoid. Episome is a segment of extra chromosomal DNA that can replicate independently in the cytoplasm or integrate into host cell's main chromosome to replicate along with it. 26th question. Pattern of organization of cilia and flagella in E. coli is 9 plus 0 array, 9 plus 2 array, 9 plus 1 array, 9 plus 3 array. The correct answer is 9 plus 2 array. 9 plus 2 array, it refers to the arrangement of microtubules within its core called axoneme. So axoneme consists of 9 pairs of peripheral doublet microtubules surrounding with a single central pair of singlet microtubules. So that is 9 plus 2 array. 27th question. Amyloplasts are type of plastids that store starch, proteins, fats, glycogen. The correct answer is starch. Amyloplasts are specific type of leucoplast in plant cells that are responsible for storing starch. So they are colorless, non-pigmented plastids which convert the glucose into starch. 28th question. The primary function of bacterial pili is locomotion, conjugation, motility, transduction. The correct answer is conjugation. Bacterial pili main function is to mediate the bacterial conjugation for horizontal gene transfer. Last question is, which of the following match is correct? Oil storage, rhodoplast, protein storage, amyloplast, starch storage, alluroplast, fat storage, elaioplast. Write your answers in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.